touch precise, her skill well aimed. Each tiny thump, each magic press, releasing all my built up stress.